Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and for this video I made my icons really big. I've been working with a gentleman trying to figure out how to say this as default, but I also figured if we could change the color of it, it might be a little bit more noticeable. So scale to object is off right now, and I'm going to click on it. Now it's on, so there's a white box, and you can kind of see it better. When you hover over it, it's blue, but when you're off, so we turn it off, it'll turn blue until you change it, and you can kind of see a white box against the black background. So it's a little bit more visible than that other icon. So how to make an icon. Matter of fact, I'm gonna click on here and customize and default button size and put them back to my normal size. And you can kind of see what I'm talking about. You can kind of see that it's white and it's not white. It's white and it's not white. It's a lot easier and it's kind of scaled to object. So how did I create that icon? I've made several videos on this. Just go to Tools, Options, Customization, Commands, and then you can either click on your item and it'll go to it, Scale with Object, go to Appearance, and there's my new icon that I made. So how did I make that icon? All you have to do is make a shape, holding down the, to make that, we're gonna just make that Control D, we're gonna make the no, holding down the Shift key to get a little bit bigger circle. Take your rectangle tool, turn it on 45 degree. Well, you know what, it's easier to press P to get it to your size just inside there. And then actually select it and rotate it 45 degrees. And it's almost easier sometimes to take the virtual segment delete key and delete these lines and trying to figure out what to do. Fill it in with red. Move that out of the way, take away your outline, and you've got an icon. So let's export it. And you have to export it as a ICO file, and to find that, you just go through all the files till you see ICO, and then name it. We're gonna call it No Fill 4, because I've been playing around trying to get the best look. And you're gonna export it. It's gonna ask you a couple of questions. It takes a little bit of time to do this because it's doing a lot of stuff, but I think it's important to learn, because you could have a lot of different kind of icons. So here's our no fill. I'm going to actually delete it for a second. And I'm going to go to Tools, Options, Customization, Commands. And you can search all through here and go to Scale. And there's our new icon. It's actually more visible. And then we could browse and change it to No Fill 4, put Open. And there's our new, and just press OK. So now when we go to there's our new icon, and you can see it's white around that, and it's not white. It's a lot, to me, it's a lot more visible than it was before. So let's make our icons a little bigger. I'm just gonna right click, custom, make them large. Now the reason you don't want them large all the time, because some of your stuff has disappeared, but you can definitely tell it's on now because it's white, and there it's not on. A lot different. The reason I say you don't want your icons like that all the time, because a lot of your icons are missing. From the pentagon to the text down, it's missing. They're right here, but they're not visible as if you right click right in here, customization, default button, small. Now all your tools are back. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.